How to fix Instagram not showing like. Now let's say this post right here, you can't really see the number of likes, or you really can see the number of likes your post has. Sometimes you see the people that you follow like a certain post, but you really can't see how many like count there is. Reason to this kind of situation is because hiding like counts is now a trend, and seeing the like count of a post has been phased out by Instagram. So one thing you can do is to go to your Chrome or any browser that you have and search for Instagram.com. Sometimes Instagram shows the like count on Chrome because they don't really handle it as much as the Instagram app itself. You'll be able to see how many likes a post had. Another thing, it requires some manual solution. Now let's say this post right here. All you have to do is to click on this likes post and count it manually. The last resort you have is to go to your control center and click on airplane mode. This will restart your internet connection, and you might be able to see the like count of a post. So that's how to fix Instagram not showing likes.